See, we got the hiccups. We got the hiccups.
Hey, Grandmama.
Grandmama. No.
Grandmama's boy. Huh? You can be Grandmama's boy.
What? What? What are you doing, buddy?
Never lost the title
What are you doing?
inside the octagon.
What are you doing? What are you doing?
Before I even knew who you were, I didn't even know who he was. This is a guy that's been constantly talking
What are you
about the media. It just disrespected me.
Got some more hiccups.
I am dominant.
Got rid of the hiccups. We gotta get rid of those hiccups.
You know, and that's who your daddy is. You could be a host to God or a hostage
Gotta get
to
rid of
him.
them hiccups.
Every single person on that team is a hostage to them.
Oh, goodness. What's that face for?
What face was that? Pop. Oh. You jelly boy.
He has ever fought in his entire career. Cody
What?
Garbrandt fights with an intensity
You want your passy?
fury that is rarely
Get your
seen
passy
in the
now.
bantamweight division.
I'm a different fighter than he's ever faced. I'm a hybrid fighter since the beginning.
You want your passy?
The fighters that are coming to
You want your passy? No?
He's facing a champion.
I've been trying to give it to him
You
too,
don't want your
Papa.
passy, or the hiccups just driving you nuts?
When you break it down move for move, no one competes the way Dr. Cruz does.
I have so many
Are they just driving you nuts? You got them from Dad.
knock me out.
Dad gave them to
Already
you.
lost. A one-dimensional
Dad's the one that
fighter
got
like him
some.
is not gonna beat me. When that door
Well, do you
closes,
want it or no?
he's gotta be careful. I mean, I'm one punch
Oh,
away.
them hiccups suck. He just pulled himself up that far.
Disrespect me.
I can't do nothing for you, buddy. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm
Oh.
sorry.
You gonna show Grandmama what a cry face is?
I'm sorry.
What an unhappy Easton looks like.
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, buddy.
So angry.
He's got his little face scratched up a little bit.
I can't do nothing for the hiccups.
I'm a born-bred fighter.
Can't do nothing. I'm
This is my
sorry.
destiny to be a world champion.
You can go keep it in there, though.
Everything you know, badly. What do you think I'm gonna do?
I'm just
Yes or no? Yes or no? Yes or no? No?